Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I have another Sailor to unbox today, and I'm actually starting to feel a little bit guilty about the number of Sailors that I have in my collection, but it just keeps happening. I don't know, their nibs are really reliable and they fit really nicely in my hands, and now I've reached a point where I'm kind of justifying like, oh, I don't have a nib in this size, or I don't have this shape of a Sailor pen, so I don't know. I wasn't even gonna film this video because I didn't want people judging me, but I guess I shouldn't have to justify any of my pen purchases to anybody on the internet. Here we go. This was on sale at Endlesspens during their July 4th, or the entire month of July actually. They had a sale, and it was just a really good price for a Sailor in this model, and I don't even know how they got this pen, but it's a European exclusive. It is the Kyoto Garden model. That is a really beautiful box. This might actually be the prettiest box I've ever received for a pen. It's a lightweight cardboard, but that is a beautiful painting. Paperwork, what's this? It's like a little tag. Welcome to the gardens of Kyoto. Drawn from the serene beauty of Japanese gardens, this collection invites us into a world of delicate tranquility and poetic reflection. It's a journey into a peaceful sanctuary where each fountain pen effortlessly transports us to the enchanting harmony of nature's myriad hues. With the Kyoto Garden collection, let's honor the serene enchantment of nature gracefully captured within each of these exceptional fountain pens. Sailor Pen Europe. Yeah, it's a European exclusive, so I don't really know how they got it, but not gonna question it. There was a blue version and a green version, and I got the green. We have a regular ink cartridge. What's this? For the best writing performance. Along with the fact that Sailor produces various types of nibs, the soft feel and smooth writing performance stems from the skilled craftsmen who have perfected the original nib technology since 1911. Nice. This is Koke dye ink. Okay, it's a bottle of ink, 20 mils. Pretty average for Sailor. This is the Koke model, and it's ringless. Okay, so this is all just cardboard, but that's cute. I like the packaging. So I got this in the broad size. I don't have any broad Sailors, so that was one of my justifications. Ooh, I don't know why I'm always surprised when I hold a new pen, but this is very nice. We've got silver trim. Is this crooked? Yeah, it is a little bit. The clip. Interesting. Well, there's a normal clip. I really enjoyed my Sailor Rialo, my 1911L Rialo, this one here. So I figured I would probably enjoy the regular 1911L. This one is ringless, so it doesn't have the normal band around the cap there, but it still has the little ring at the top and the one at the bottom. Ooh, Sailor nibs are some of the most beautiful nibs, and of course this is the 21 karat in broad. Very nice. We have a little ring there. This is a perfect weight for me, which might be why I felt okay buying it. The cap is a little bit transparent. You can see the threads through there, and it does have one of those inner plastic caps to keep from drying out your pen. Okay, very nice. We've got our section. I really enjoy the cigar shape pen from Sailor. I think I might actually enjoy it more than the Pro Gear with the flat tops, but I didn't think I would enjoy cigar shape pens because I thought they were kind of ugly and a little too old-fashioned, but now I really like them more than the flat top ones. Okay, what we're gonna do is wash the pen, which is what I normally do. Let's find that converter. But yeah, as I was saying, my justification, which I don't have to do for anyone except me, I guess, is that I didn't have a broad nib, and also I really enjoy the 1911s. And this was a really good price. I'm a sucker for discounted pens, and I need to chill on that, I think. Okay, we're gonna put the converter. Here's the converter, regular Sailor proprietary converter. It says Sailor on the right there. Here we go. SAILER right there. Please excuse my broken thumbnail. It just pops right in, twists. Okay, I'm gonna go clean this and I'll be right back. I also realized that it's new pen day and new ink day, so that's cool. I think we're gonna put the ink on this page and the pen on this page. Alright, so while that pen is drying, let's do the ink swatch. This is really cute. This artwork on the bottle. I don't even know what color this is supposed to be. Oh, it's like blue. It's actually a really, really nice blue. It dried to like a turquoise. It's like blue-green. Definitely like more blue than green, but not just a blue. I'm not very good at describing colors. Let me see. Very interesting. So this ink is nothing like anything that I own, but it is kind of like a dark blue-green, and then there is some red sheen, but then like my swatch right here has a little bit of green in it. So that's interesting. I would have thought this would have matched the blue pen. There's like a green pen and a blue pen for this Kyoto Garden collection. I would have thought this matches the blue pen better, but they have a different ink for that pen. So now I kind of want to try the other one. Oh well, let's see. I think my pen can be inked up now. So if you don't know how to fill Sailors, you just dip it all the way up to here. Well, actually, this section is transparent, so maybe like you can kind of see through it. So maybe I don't want to see the ink. Maybe I'll do this, and like I don't want to see the ink get really messy in this area right here of the grip. It probably will, but maybe for the first fill we'll keep it clean. So what you can do is, if you don't want to get that part too dirty, you can just dip the converter right into ink and do the same thing. Twist the piston to draw it up and then clean off the excess. I guess this is kind of an exclusive ink, so now I'm like gonna be extra precious with it if I can't replace it. I don't know why I do that. Okay, let's see if this works. Now we have to prime the feed because I didn't ink it up through the nib. Twist this down until we reach... Oh, there we go. Nice. Okay. It's so blue, especially when the ink first hits the paper. What was this ink called? Ooh, Sailor... Hold on. Let me get through the ink first. Sailor Koke Kyoto Garden. Came with the pen. This is really, really smooth. Sailor Kyoto Garden Koke pen with broad nib. Yes, this is amazing. This is perfect. Like, it's so on brand with Sailor. It's not scratchy. It is really reliable. It writes really well in every direction. I did notice with my 1911 Rialo, I think if I press too hard, if I put too much pressure, the nib kind of starts squeaking. It writes really, really smoothly. Let's see. Posted. Posted, there's more feedback, like a touch more. It's heavier. I think I like this unposted. That's not normal for me. Hello. I am really enjoying the broad nib. Okay. See, this happens every time. Like, eventually, posted feels the same or doesn't bother me. No, I like it unposted. That's weird. I don't want to push too hard, but I noticed that with my medium nib on this pen that it squeaks if I push too hard. There's like a little bit of feedback or scratchiness. I don't know. The right to left strokes for this one. So that's the 21 karat medium nib. And this is the Sailor 1911 Ringless, we'll say that, with a broad nib. This is perfect. It's uniform in every direction. There's no scratchiness whatsoever. I'm also like, it's a little harder to tell because I'm like leaning over the camera, kind of tilting my head different because of the camera angle. But this is so nice. So nice. I feel like all I want is broad nibs now, which is kind of a bummer because most of my sailors are medium fines or mediums. But oh well. It could also be the ink, but this, oh shoot. Why does this keep happening in my videos? I keep dropping things. So this Sailor Medium has Tachia Benasuchi. You guys hear the squeak? Like, that's squeaky. I might be applying too much pressure. I'm afraid to apply more pressure on this one because it's a new pen. But this is so nice. Wow. I don't know. Like, I have other pens that I bought recently, but somehow I keep coming back to Sailors. I almost feel bad about it. Like, I need to branch out and try other pens. I mean, I do try other pens at pen clubs, so I don't know. You might be able to tell the slight difference between the medium nib and the broad nib, but it's definitely not anything dramatic like other brands, especially like Western pens. So I really enjoy the ink that came with this pen. I wish there was a better way to show you guys on this notebook. It's just beautiful. Like, if I could buy this ink by itself, I would. Now, like, I kind of want the other blue. No, I don't need it. But I'm really happy that I picked a broad nib. What else do I have to say about this? I don't think I have anything else because I feel like I always talk about Sailors. There's minimal feedback. Somehow they're like medium and broad nibs just don't feel like they're other nibs. It's almost a different experience than their extra fines and fines. Like, I don't know. The extra fines and fines, I have to like tilt my hand to write at a slant. Let me see if I can find one. I mean, it could also be because it's a Pro Gear Slim, but if I have a Pro Gear Slim, this is the Winter Rain Pro Gear Slim with 21 karat in a medium fine. If I try to write straight up and down, it doesn't work well for me. But sideways, it works perfectly. I don't know why. It might be because the way the pen sits in my hand. Whereas for mediums, Sailor, Reala, medium, 21 karat, maroon. Like, okay, they feel the same both ways. It might just be the diameter of the pen then. I don't know. I had that medium fine Pro Gear, and I don't really love it. Maybe because of the grip. Sailor, that's really nice. It comes out really smoothly. Sailor, Kyoto, Gardens, Koke, broad, and then Sailor. Wait, how do I do this? It's actually harder for me to write sideways, slanted on these larger nibs. I don't know. That's weird. Might be the pen shape pushing it. This is not a good comparison video for this, but see, like, I like the way my handwriting looks with these two. Not this. Definitely not this one. This one's okay. You know? Okay, whatever. That's all I have for right now, you guys. I have more pens and a ton of stationery to share and 2025 planners to think about. I don't know. There's a lot. I need to go. So if you want to see more Sailors, I'll link the playlist here. But thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!